What's up, guys? We are back here with another everything's regular video, man. We got the Road Glide back there, man. We got a few new parts in. Look, check it out. We got our all black rear fender for this bike. We got our saddlebags. Now, we did upgrade to the 2014 plus saddlebags. You know that lever is here on the side now. So these bags are looking really, really great. So the only thing we have to put on is our gas tank. We got to grab that from BBV. We seen that when we was up there, and I don't think they sold it just yet. Well, hopefully not, at least. So I got to grab that, but I kind of want to just get this stuff on first. So when I do that, it'll be pretty much done data. But however, I do have to slide up to BBV today anyway to take my fork legs from my Street Glide up there, because these are getting taken apart and getting powder coated black. Well, the lowers are going to get powder coated black, so got to get these things ready to get put back on the other bike. So got to go take those and get those dropped off today so we can take them to the powder coat hopefully today. But other than that, we'll be working on the Road Glide when we come back. So let's load those forks up, head to BBV, come back, and then start getting these bags saddled up and get the fender saddled up and see if we can get the back end tidied in, man. So let's see. Alrighty, guys, we just pulled up to BBV, man. It's time to get our forks situated. Okay, they got some orange powder coat on that. Let's take these forks in, and we'll get these taken apart so we can get these lowers powder coated black real quick now, shall we? You know, we had to pull up. What up, man? Another day. Yes, sir. Back at the BBV. Getting this thing running and running good, man. Yes, sir. Y'all know we love to come up here and see all the parts they got for us. Let's see. Yo. Find anything?
Yeah, sorry it's so packed up here.
No, it's all good. And literally 10 minutes later, they are off. I guess if you got the right tools, it makes the job that much easier and less of a headache for me. So, man, I'm going to take these to 6651 really quick to get them things powder coated, and we should be back at the crib. Feel me? Pulling up to the 6651. Yes, sir. 6651 Customs. Time to get these things powder coated, big dog. Just like that, we dropped them off, man. Maybe we'll check out how they do the powder coating and stuff when we pick it up. But that's done and dropped off. Hopefully we'll have it back soon. He said we might have it back either today or tomorrow. Definitely probably could have saved 80 bucks if I would have just ordered the legs online already pre-powder coated black. But you know, it's all good. There's no telling when the legs would have came in, and so I was like, might as well just get it powder coated. That way I know I'll get it at least next day and pretty much instantly, man. So that's in there. Hopefully they'll call me pretty soon. Now I gotta head back to the crib. I'm trying to throw that rear fender on real quick, that in the bags. Once we get those on, it's literally gonna be pretty much done and be ready for sale. So just trying to tidy it up, man, and get it done, man. So let's head back to the crib and see what we can get done today. Just made it back to the crib, man, and it is time to get this thing going. So I'm gonna flip this around so I can get some light in the sun, get this fender unwrapped, and start getting this thing undone, man. So let's get it. And just like that, we got the old fender off. You see where it's bent at right here in the back, of course. Here goes that frame we love, man. So tempted after yesterday, man, taking that other frame apart. But after watching bro, I done came in here with a better understanding, man. I feel like I can do it all now. But let's get this other one unwrapped real quick and checked out. So here we are, gloss black OEM Harley Davidson Rear fender does have a few scratches, like a nick here, another one there, and across the top. But all in all, you got a little something right here, but nothing as bad as this one. And if this one was black, we might be able to do something with it, but this one just looks all around better. So we'll switch everything on here, the lights in the bracket real quick, and get that swapped over and get it back mounted up. Quick intermission. So we got most of everything switched over. Got the wiring, little taillight wiring harness over there. About to install the brackets and everything and get this thing back mounted back up, man. So let's get it. Just like that, we got everything switched out. I actually got some a little marker for that, but we'll figure that out after we install it. But pretty simple. Feeling a little bit better, y'all. Let's get this thing mounted up, man. Just like that, y'all, we got this black fender on. Got the new little black smoke tail lamps in there. Thing looks good back there, dog. I'm digging it, man. What are y'all thinking about this black? It is popping a lot more than this tan. We kind of got some type of design going on right here so far. But it's time to get them bags situated real quick, man, and get these things slapped on there for good. Houston, we have a problem. All right, so these are 2014 and up bags. As you guys see, it has the new upgraded like latches on the inside. So the thing with this is it's not lining up on this rail because this rail is a 2011 rail. So my guess is I have to get one of these rails or a different type of rail for this year, for 2014 and up. Replace it with this rail right here, and then we should be good there. But that's the only way I'm thinking, because look, I'll show you really quick. When I put the bags on here and just have it on there, hold on, let me see where you can see. You see how it has that little insert right there? I can't even freaking pull it back anymore if I wanted to. It just wouldn't look right. Well, I might be able to do that. But the inside is still touching. Yeah, no, it's not gonna work because even you're touching right here. So even if we connected that like that, it would not work, man. So that's unfortunate. That is unfortunate, but I don't know, we can see really quick. And just like that, guys, we got this thing all tidied up. I actually figured out how to get the bags on there for now. Does look pretty clean. I'm digging it. I'm digging it. Does look pretty clean, man. Let's take a look in the back. Whoo, that thing is clean, dog. I'm digging it, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. That black fender all tied everything in together. The only thing that sucks is I did all that and I forgot to put this little freaking seat screw from this old fender over here. That's all I forgot to do, man. That's what sucks. So I don't know. I'm pretty sure I probably have to take off the whole thing to put that back in there, man, but I don't know. We'll have to see what's up. So, alrighty, guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. Man, we got the rear fender on there, man. We got the bags on that joint. That thing is looking good. I'm digging it. We got to get some actual saddlebag like screws so them things don't fall out. But it does look good for now. As for that fender, I thought I had everything in there. I did have everything in there. Everything except for the top seat cover. So I can't button my seat down right now. So I'll probably have to deal with that tomorrow or whenever we pretty much finish up the bike. But it is there. It is looking good, man. I like it. I actually like this thing, man. This thing is a fresh gloss black. What are y'all thinking, man? If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. The Street Glide is down in LA. So my boy Dre might have a video for us today, man. I'm waiting just like y'all, man. So as soon as he dropped that thing, I'm gonna definitely share it to y'all so y'all can check it out. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. Let's get it going, man. I'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace. Then we did get our bars for the Street Glide in. Some nice gloss black daddies. But how long will they stay gloss black? Don't know. Don't know just yet. I'm hoping they're the same size as the other ones, to be honest with you.